Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. It is Skylanders Swap Force for the Xbox One. So here it is. Here's the front of the box. And this is really cool because you can take like the characters, well not Ninja Stealth Elf. You can take like him and swap them. Like you can take the pieces apart, which is really cool. So let's get into this. I need scissors, hold on. Just something sharp will work.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke.
I wonder if this would work from my last unboxing video.
I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the lonely.
That worked. That actually worked. Alright, so here we go. We're opening this up. Just gonna pull this out. Here, this box. Just keep that over there. So we got like this thing right here which has all the stuff in it. But then there's the game right here. So here's the game, Skylanders Swap Force. And pop it open and you got the game in there, which is pretty cool. That's that. And then right here we have these guys. So open it up. So we have Ninja Stealth Elf here. Why does Skylanders like always give you Ninja Stealth Elves? Like in everything, they give you a Ninja Stealth Elf. Like so, in this box right here, Skylanders Swap Force, they gave me a Ninja Stealth Elf. I also have Skylanders Giants for the 3DS. They gave me a Stealth Elf, and then a Ninja Stealth Elf, and then Skylanders Spyro's Adventure also had the Ninja Stealth Elf in it. So yeah, then right here you can just take it out. Woo! Here it is. He did not break. Don't worry, he didn't break. They come apart. So there's little magnets on the inside that clip together. So here he is right here, and you can take it apart, put it back together, just like that. He's over there. I'm gonna take this guy out now. Activision, you really got these things stuck in here. There's the top half of them, and there's the bottom half. So here he is right here. Again, magnets keep them together, just like that. The cool thing about this is, when you put the two together, so like, you can take him off of there, take him off of there, and then put this on here, now you have a whole new figure. You have a whole new character. Same with this. Now you got a whole new character. And so you can play as these characters. So you can play as this guy right here. Then you can play as this guy. But you can also switch them out and play as like this guy, which is really cool. So I'm gonna put him over there since they have magnets. Then so here is the here's the portal of power. So you just put them on like this, and then you play as them, which is cool. And then this side you plug into the Xbox One. And then on the back, there's some more stuff in here. There it is. Here is it. This little thing, and then open it up. This. And there is stuff inside. Little cards, it looks like. So they have like these little collectible cards of each of them. So right here we have the Washbuckler, which is this guy. We have Washbuckler. We have, obviously, Ninja Stealth Elf. We have Blast Zone, which is cool. And then we get stickers of each of them, which is cool. So here's a little, like, manual on how to use it, but screw that. So then right here, what's this? It looks like it could either be like a playmat or like a poster or something. Oh, okay. So this is like a big old poster collector's sheet. So it tells you like all the different characters that you can collect in Swap Force.
First impression,
really cool.
That's
cool. But yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. So that's it for the unboxing. But what's really cool is, so here is Washbuckler and here's Blast Zone. But then you could swap them out. And now you have Blastbuckler and Wash Zone. And then you can play as them, which is really cool. So yeah, I really like the Skylanders games because the cards. I collect these cards. So like, now I have Blast Zone, Ninja Stealth Elf, and Washbuckler. But actually, over here,
open up. Need to deep breathe, hard and complications.
I have more. Right here. So now I can add those 3 to my collection. So here's my collection right now. So obviously Blast Zone, Washbuckler, and Ninja Stealth Elf because we just got them. But I also have Eruptor, Chop Chop. Then we just have like, you know, some random stuff. Dragon Fire Cannon. Then I have Shroom Boom. I have Wind Whirl. And I have Crusher. So those are the ones that I have. I can't find the stickers for them, but I don't know. But that's the unboxing for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Washbuckler and Blast Zone.